Tips to how to clean your marble floors. Dear friends, marble floors are always known as an ideal touch of beauty for any room of the house. However, if not cared for properly, their shine can easily go from aesthetic to an eyesore. Your marble flooring is an investment in your home's value, and your ultimate goal must be to clean your marble floors. The best cleaning tips for your marble flooring. You must know that marble is more porous than other flooring materials like granite or quartz, which can easily absorb liquids. This means it is more vulnerable to damage and other changes like scratching, discoloring, etc., thus requiring more special care and attention in order to keep your marble flooring in top quality. You can protect your marble floorings with the help of the given techniques in this video. 1. Daily sweeping to prevent accumulation of dust. Some of the pollutants often cover the shiny finish of the marble floors and cause scratches. In order to prevent such activities, you must sweep your marble floors daily using a dry or soft mop or broom. Also, you can use clear water to mop your floors. Alternatively, you can use liquid cleansing solutions for cleaning. 2. Removing fresh stains immediately. The best tips to keep your marble floors clean and shiny are to remove any fresh stains as soon as possible. Leaving the stains for a longer time will lead to permanent marks on the marble surface, making them look dirty. In this stage, you must immediately blot up the stain by using a soft and damp cloth. Make sure that you don't spread the stain. On the other hand, you can also utilize a mild soap solution or water to remove it. 3. Using gentle solutions for tough stains. Sometimes, tough stains may refuse to remove despite applying your best efforts. For this condition, you can try to remove such stains by mixing a few drops of ammonia and 12% hydrogen peroxide. 4. Baking soda cleaning. Additionally, you can utilize baking soda, a mildly abrasive cleaning ingredient. However, it must not be left on the surface as it may dull the glossy marble surface design. To clean, sprinkle some baking soda and gently rub the stain off using a damp cloth. Finally, use water and dry the spot using a soft towel. Marble surfaces can be very tricky to clean, but following our best cleaning tips, you can easily keep your marble floors protected and clean for many years. Also, you don't have to spend a fortune on expensive materials and cleaners. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.